Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Paul Peckham, and today we're going to show you how you can upgrade your Zhiyun gimbal to the latest firmware. So we just picked this guy up and needed to upgrade the firmware. I'll show you. It's a pretty simple process. We can jump right into it. The very first thing you've got to do is just go to Zhiyun's website. I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced. I know it's some Chinese name that means Wise Cloud, but I don't read Chinese. Here you're going to download two things. You're first going to download the calibration upgrade tool. Do it for Mac or for Windows. The other thing you're going to need is the current firmware, which right now is 1.77. So download those both and put them in a place where you can find them. The next thing you're going to do is open up this calibration upgrade tool, which, as you can see, is right there. Has this little cog symbol next to it. That's going to open up the Zhiyun gimbal tools. You need to click on the firmware upgrade side here, click browse, and find that firmware wherever you put it. Mine's in my downloads, right here. Going to open that, click on the firmware, click open, and then click open up here. You need to be using the cable that came with your Zhiyun product. I tried to use a standard lacy hard drive device USB-C cable and it didn't work. I then in turn had to use a dongle and plug it into the device with the cable that came with the product. So that's important. Go ahead and click open, and then down here at the bottom it'll say upgrade. When we click upgrade, it's going to do the upgrade automatically, and we don't get really any symbol that it's done other than the bar at the bottom will be complete. As soon as the bar at the bottom is full, we know the upgrade is finished. There we go now. And the port has been closed. Once you can see that that port has been closed, the upgrade's done, and you now have the latest firmware on your Zhiyun. So go out there and get some filming done. Appreciate you guys being here. If this video helped you out, go ahead and subscribe. We'll see you next time.